दोस्ती एक अनमोल तोहफा है। ये प्यार, विश्वास और समझ का रिश्ता है। दोस्त हमारे जीवन में खुशियां लाते हैं। वो अच्छे और बुरे वक्त में हमारे साथी होते हैं। सच्चे दोस्त अनमोल होते हैं और उन्हें संभल कर रखना चाहिए। दोस्ती को देखभाल की जरूरत होती है। दोस्ती को दयालु और संवेदनशील निभाना चाहिए। दोस्ती बातचीत और समर्थन से मजबूत होती है। अपने दोस्तों की कदर करना ना भूलें। उन्हें बताएं कि वो आपके लिए कितने मायने रखते हैं। उनके साथ क्वालिटी टाइम बिताएं। दोस्ती एक ऐसा खजाना है जो हमारे जीवन को समृद्ध बनाता है। Strongest from strongest friendship in any problems come can are. Misunderstanding happen can is. Different opinions from disagreements happen can are. Sometimes we or friends with actions or words from hurt or let down feel to can are. Friendship with bond in these cracks painful happen can is. These after, anger and distance of reason become can are. These to remember keep important is of disagreements any relationship of a normal part are. Most important, what these matters is of, we these conflicts to how handle do are. Problems to ignoring doing from, they end not will. Instead of, we tell patience and understanding with address to do should. To remember that, true friendship. The of with together face doing, and strongest become to emerging in is. After with fight, reconciliation of towards first step taking difficult happen can is. Instead for courage, humility, and broken a relationship to mend of true desire of need is. It doesn't matter, not matter of conversation to who starts is. What these matters is, of ego and pride to a, towards keep to conversation doing of desire happen. Your friends from conversation talk. Tell them of you, friendship of value do are, and things to fix, want are. These first step very crucial, is, these for you. Friends to shows, is of you, about care is, and you the pain, to away remove. Friendship of bridge, rebuild, to do want, are. Section 4. The power of honest dialogue. A. The first step is taken, then honest and open communication very important is. This means is a such safe space where both friends without judgment. They are feelings and perspectives share to each other. Your friends of conversation, carefully, from listen. With perspectives to their of try talk. Even you don't not any do with. Your and feelings to calmly and respectfully share talk. Avoid doing or accusing doing from doing. Instead of common ground, find doing and in of cause to their on focus talk. To remember that the goal is not, but friendship to rebuild to do is. Section 5. Forgiveness, the bridge back to each other. माफी एक ऐसा पुल है जो एक हील दोस्ती की तरफ ले जाता है। ये हर्ट को भुलाने के बारे में नहीं है, बल्कि उस गुस्से और नाराजगी को छोड़ने के बारे में है जो हमें पास्ट में ही फंसाए रखते हैं। इसका सिर्फ इतना मतलब है कि नेगेटिविटी और दर्द को छोड़ने का चॉइस करना। ये एक तोहफा है जो आप खुद को और अपने दोस्त को देते हैं, जिससे दोस्ती आगे बढ़ सकती है। याद रखें, माफी एक टू वे स्ट्रीट है। इस Section 6. Stronger through storms. When we love and understanding with conflicts to conflicts do are, then friendship even from important stronger happen than is. The to overcoming doing of shared experience bond to and starts is, and important trust and two for each other is. Like a tree of like that, a storm our friendship is, more friendship and any resilient become than is. We learn to do better are, each with perspectives to appreciate are, and value of connection to samajhte are. To remember that, every relationship in the come are. These we on how starts is of, we, these, the to how handle do, are that our bonds of strength and longevity decide do are.